Oh my goodness, guys. I am just pouring out videos today. This is an actual unboxing now. I'm very excited. I did not think that this would be coming today. Hold on, I need to cover up my... Actually, let's just rip it out altogether. Again, I would love to be demonetized, but I don't have money to be demonetized for, so... Let me just grab a knife real quick and I'll cut open the package. Where do I put my knives, guys? I found scissors. I just cut off this shipping label really quick. Don't want someone stealing my information and being all weird or something. That would suck. So this is from the United States Coin and Jewelry company. And generally they're from Texas. They're out of Texas. And generally they do coins and jewelry, no duh. But they give like special coin things to kids in Texas. And I asked them to see if they would send me one to Texas. And they were like, well, usually we wouldn't because you're all the way down in New York. But they're like, just for you? What the heck? Let's send you one. And so now they get free advertising, and they didn't even know they were getting it. So let's open up this box and see what's inside. Okay, really quickly, guys, I'm going to move you over to the floor so that we can get some better footage of this opening. This special opening of a very special box. It's huge, by the way. Actually, let's do it right here on my bed. Don't judge. Just a bit of a mess right now. Move the blanket off to the side. There you go. Those aren't very good, but whatever. Try not to damage anything in here. Okay, guys. Open it up on this side. And this is from Daria Jones, who, as far as I understand, is in charge of the company. Don't quote me on that, though, because I could be wrong, and she could just be an associate that helped me out. But she was definitely helpful. I definitely... Oh, man, guys, I'm so excited. This is a coin unboxing, a real one. A mail order, I think is what it's called. I haven't opened this yet. I'm kind of worried about what this tamper-evident tape is. Wow, this is really well packaged. That's packaging. Oh, wait. Silver Picker. I don't know if you're watching. I highly doubt you. You say always check the packaging. You never know when there's a coin or something hidden in there. There is not. So, let's check out what... I don't even know what to start with, guys. Let's check to make sure there isn't anything packaging. No, there is not. Asher, do you really want to be in a video right now? Okay, I'll take that as a yes. Yeah. Nothing in the packaging. We've got two things here. I guess let's start with the bigger package. Some tape on here that I gotta break. I'm doing an unboxing for my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness. So I was told that I would receive a grab bag, or I was told I would receive this red book here. I know I literally just made a video about red books. Oh, wait, yeah, we don't need you guys seeing that, but here's something really interesting. Oh my goodness, guys, looks like we're gonna do a giveaway. It looks like we're gonna do a giveaway. Sure. Shoot. So, that's awesome. We got some packaging here. Yep. Sorry guys, I'm just checking these things out real quick. Alright, here's what we got for our giveaway. So it's going to be a series of 3 giveaways, and we will be giving away folders that you put coins in. So basically how these folders work is you have dates and mint marks. I'm not going to go into detail about mints here. Basically it's where coins are made. You pop the coins in. Here, let me grab one of my folders really quick. So basically, oh, upside down. You pop these coins into here, like so. This one's almost full. Yeah. So, our 3 things are, we got a Jefferson nickel folder, a Lincoln penny folder, so, hold on, I forgot to do the dates. On the Jefferson nickel, 38 to 61, it's brand new, guys. I totally recommend you try to get that. We have a brand new Lincoln cents one from 1941 to 1974. And then we have this, it's a quarter one, Washington quarters, and it's for the year 2000. So you just got quarters that you're supposed to put your quarters in there. State quarters, guys. I'm sure at least some of you collect it. And this is awesome, guys. I have never, ever, ever owned a hardcover copy of the Red Book. And holy moly, guys, I am so excited. First of all, this is 2021. I did not have the 2021 Red Book yet. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful, guys. It's truly beautiful. As I said, I've never owned one of these in hard copy form before. I always get the paper copy because that's what works. Wow, this is kind of cool to hold. That's cool. Alright, let's move on to whatever this little package is. Let's find out. I'm trying to do it on camera for you guys. Wow, it's really well packaged, guys. Check the packaging. You guys see the coins? No, you don't. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh boy, this has some heaviness to it. What the heck? Whoa, guys. Whoa. Ashley, come over here. Let's see what all this is. Let's start with this bag. Okay, look at this. Right off the bat, we have silver. Yeah. Right off the bat, we have silver. This is 35% silver, 1942 nickel. Let's just put this right here. Then we have, oh my goodness, more silver. This is an AU condition, I would guess. And it is a 1943, not sure, thank you, but no. 1943 D. That's more silver. This one is not. This is a 1935 Philadelphia Mint nickel. It's a buffalo nickel. Very iconic coin. Here we have a Liberty nickel from 1904, and is it a mint mark? No, it is not. So it's a 1904 Liberty nickel. 1943 no mint mark, which means it's from Philadelphia, and it's a steel cent. And then we have this, it's a wheat cent from 1940. And finally, Indian head penny from 1900. Alright, so actually let's put our silver stuff right over here so we can keep track of it. Wow, guys. So I've already gotten silver, which is a very valuable commodity in case you guys haven't noticed yet. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, we're off to a really good start, guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's from 1965. It's got a ship on it. I don't believe that this is silver. I will search that, so we'll put this in a little maybe pile over here. That is so cool, guys. 2 francs from 1933. France. Okay, we got another one of these coins from 1969. Let's see if there's any differences. I don't believe that there is. Okay, we have this. What is this? I don't know what this is. Let's. Oh, it's from Spain. Oh, okay, so it's 2.5 pesetas. Wow, that's really cool. Or is it 250? I can't tell. I will search that coin some more. You can see it. Alright, we have this thing from, I want to say, Morocco? Saudi Arabia? So these are really cool because they say that they're from this one says it's from 1384 because their thing. It's £2.50. So my brother says that that's 250. These are really cool because they say they're from 1384 because the people down in Arabian countries are on a different date than us. So in reality, this coin's from 1965. I do not believe that is silver, but I will check. Okay, we have another French coin from 1964. That's a cool coin. We have this one, which is 5 centavos, or 5 cents, from Mexico, from 1960. This is kind of cool. It's got a woman on it, which I don't know if that's normal or not. The coins I've seen from Mexico don't generally have women on them. And finally, we have this one from 1963 from Spain. Look at that, it has a hole in it. That's really cool. I don't think that one's silver, but I will check. Alright, there's more stuff in this bag. More to come, guys. Oh, wow, this is a nice little presentation box. I wonder what's in here. Oh, I don't want to rip it in case the box is important somehow. No. Okay. Alright, I'm not going to look at it. We're going to find out what it is together, guys. 3, 2, 1. What the? Oh my goodness, guys. I was told I would receive this. Let's see if we can open it. This, guys, is a loop. A loop, basically a magnifying glass. Cuts, loops are awesome. So let's see if we can. I know. So let's see if we can use this on our camera lens to show you a coin up close. Wow. Oh yeah, that works well. Guys, that's really cool. I can actually start using this loop to like show you coins up close more often. Wow, look at that. I got this mercury down, we'll show you. I've got this loop here. That's really nice. It's a good loop. Let me test it out for myself. Guys, how about we teach you how to use a loop? So you bring the loop up to your eye, and then you bring the coin, or you bring whatever it is you're trying to look at in. You don't go down, or you don't bring it here. You bring the coin in. And then this will show you, you have to have good lighting too. But this will show you like scratches, dents, mint marks, really anything. Okay, that's really cool. And then it came with this really nice case here, made special for the loop. It's a nice loop. Alright. I think that's it, guys. So yeah, this was all free. I don't know if they'll do it for everyone, or if this is just like special for me. I recommend that you do reach out to the company. Maybe they'll want to help you. You have to be young, though. This is for young numismatists only. Let's read this. I'll read you whatever I can. Okay. It says YN program. It says, "Hi Marcus, thank you for contacting us about a young numismatist program. We don't have one in particular in our office. There is a wonderful organization called at the American Numismatic Association that you might want to contact. They have a couple major coin shows during the year for programs for the YNs. Their website is money.org. You can also look up coin clubs in New York to see if there is one close to you. They usually hold meetings every month and do special events for YNs at them, young numismatists, young coin collectors. If you send me your address, I will put together a little care package for you. Thank you again for your interest in numismatics. You're the next generation, and numismatic needs you. Sincerely, Daria Jones, U.S. Coins and Jewelry." So it sounds to me like this is a one-time thing, just special for me. But they did advertise the ANA, which I was not expecting. Again, I've told you guys numerous times, go get yourself an ANA thing. This is coming from a company that does coins. It's what they do. So, I don't know. I don't want to make them have to start sending kids coins, but they do at coin shows. If any of my viewers are from Texas, I highly doubt that's going to happen, but if they are, sometimes at the coin shows they'll let kids pick out coins from their little bucket. I really recommend that you guys check this company out. This is not a sponsored video, but they are a cool company. They sell things pretty cheaply, wholesale. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This was a really cool unboxing experience, and I hope that you all have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.